Hello, lovely people.
Welcome back to the I Speak English podcast.
I'm your host, Alice.
And I'm your host, Mark.
Today we're talking about a fun topic.
That's right, Alice. One of my favorite subjects.
I know that's true, Mark.
Going to restaurants is one of my favorite things to do.
Me too. There's something so wonderful about sitting down at a restaurant that has a special kind of food you don't make at home.
I agree, Alice. It's great to discover new dishes you've never had before.
It really is. Today we'll talk about that. But first, let's talk about the basic English we use when going to a restaurant.
Good idea. Maybe we should start with the reservation?
Yes, making a reservation is important. Of course, it depends on what kind of restaurant we're going to.
That's right. If we are going to a fancy restaurant, we will make a reservation.
Or for a restaurant that is very popular, it may not be possible to just walk in and get a table without a reservation.
Good point, Alice. What is a reservation?
A reservation is the word we use in English for calling the restaurant and asking for a day and time when we can go there to have a meal.
Yes, in some places it is also called a booking.
That's right. So, when we make a reservation and go to the restaurant on that day, they will ask, "Do you have a reservation?"
Or they might ask, "Do you have a booking?"
We should talk about how you make a reservation.
Good idea, Alice. Of course, the old-fashioned way is to call the restaurant on the phone.
People who are just learning English might be a bit nervous to call on the phone.
That's true. So we're going to help them.
Yes, we are. When you call the restaurant, simply say, "Hello, I'd like to make a reservation."
Of course, if it's morning, first you can say, "Good morning."
Or if it's afternoon, you can say, "Good afternoon."
Yes, and if it's evening, you can say, "Good evening."
So we might say, "Good afternoon. I'd like to make a reservation."
I have an idea. How about I pretend to be the restaurant host and you pretend to be the customer calling to make a reservation?
Good idea, Mark.
Okay, here goes. Hello, thanks for calling the fancy restaurant.
Good afternoon. I'd like to make a reservation.
Wonderful. I can help you with that. Would you like to book for lunch or dinner?
I'd like to book for dinner.
Oh, I'm sorry. We're all booked up for dinner this evening.
Oh, what day do you have available?
The next available reservation for dinner is, let me look at the book, next Saturday at 8 p.m.
Wow, you guys are very booked up. The food must be wonderful.
Yes, it is a busy time of year for us. Would you like to book for next Saturday?
Yes, please. Next Saturday at 8 p.m. will be fine.
And how many will be in your party?
There will be 4 people coming for dinner.
Got it. A reservation for 4, Saturday, 8 p.m. Great. What is your name, please?
My name is Alice.
Thank you for booking with us, Alice. Could you please give me a phone number?
Yes. My mobile number is 555-1212.
Great, thanks. You're all booked in for next Saturday at 8 p.m. Would you like us to send you a confirmation email?
What is a confirmation email?
That is, when we send you an email with the information about your booking.
Oh, you mean like the day and time and the location of the restaurant?
Yes, exactly. Would you like us to email you that information?
Yes, please do.
Okay. What is your email address?
My email address is at ispeakenglishpodcast.com.
Got it. Thank you.
Thank you. We look forward to seeing you next Saturday.
Thank you. We look forward to seeing you as well. Thank you for calling the fancy restaurant.
That was fun.
It was. I was having fun pretending to be the manager of a fancy restaurant.
Let's do a little bit more of this role playing.
Good idea.
Let's say it is now Saturday at 10 minutes till 8 p.m.
Okay, you have just arrived at the restaurant. I say to you, welcome to the fancy restaurant. Do you have a reservation for this evening?
Why, yes, we have a reservation for 4 people at 8 p.m.
What is your name, please?
My name is Alice.
Oh, yes, Alice. I remember. We spoke on the phone last week. Welcome.
Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Mark.
Good to meet you, Mark. Could we have a table by the windows? The view is so lovely.
Yes, I think we can do that. Give me just a moment. I will see which table is available.
Thank you, Mark. I've got an idea. How about this time I will pretend to be the server at the restaurant?
Let's do that in part 2 of this series.
Good idea. That will give people a chance to practice their English.
Exactly. Thank you for joining us, everyone.
Thank you, lovely people.
Please like and subscribe.
Leave us a comment and let us know what you think.
And be sure to join us for part 2 of English at a Restaurant.
See you on the next one.